Thanks, Alex, and welcome to everybody into our chalet. We're really excited about coming here and talking to you today about the future of our company. I'm going to talk to you more about the partnerships that we've got and the people that work out actually developing our products. And that's really the journey that we've been on, and that journey really is going to forge the future for us. Each individual in our program has a real story to tell. That's Alex, there's a tiny son, Steve Barrow, all the team that work here. For me, my story, it starts in 2015. I was one of the very first hires internationally to come to Nagoya and work for METAC. We were facing some real challenges back then, working with interpreters all the time on the program. 42 suppliers, 1,800 engineers in Japan, wondering about the future of the company, wondering about whether we could make the program work. It was a real time of uncertainty, not for the faint-hearted, but a time for action and leadership. We had the will to be successful, but with a real need to transform the business, and transform we have. Transformation, Mitsubishi's aircraft success, is built on people and partnerships that share in a joint vision about the regional jet market. But what drives a vision, and how do you influence it for success? And how are we prepared and committed to this vision? Our journey and our transformation has been focused on creating the conditions for lasting success in the regional jet market. We undertook intensive work to understand the team dynamic, create the right approach for us, define an operating rhythm that specified specific needs for a dynamic and diverse international program. We have over 18 nationalities, and we continue to grow that around the globe. This is not just about writing a plan down. It's about building a belief, person by person, team by team. That's why when people ask us what makes us really believe we can deliver on Spacejet, it's because the challenges that we've been through as a team together and the lessons that we've learned. This is our journey and it shapes our culture. That's why we know we can do it on Spacejet. If I talk more about partnerships, aerospace has become a really specialised business, and partnerships and relationships become more and more important. And working with the very best people in the industry is an absolute necessity. Partnering is an investment in time, money, energy, resources, and it's not to be taken lightly in this business, as partnerships last for many, many years. There's been a consolidation in the partner world, just like there has in the OEM world. This means our partners are navigating a similar changing landscape that we have to navigate as well. That's why trust and relationship is fundamental to what we do on a successful program. To prepare for this bright future we see in the regional jet market from a partner perspective, we've focused on two key objectives. We've looked at extending our existing partnerships, and we're going to be looking at some new strategic partnerships. We've built and retooled all of our relationships on the program as necessary to ensure that we meet the 2020 deadline for the M90. This requires transparency, behaviour change, reassurance and proof. Proving our culture and progress to partners through organisational support, product development and a business vision. These are intangibles, but they're extremely important as to what we do. I want to pause for a moment and just say thank you to all the partners that work with us. They're all still on the program, and if we didn't have them, then we wouldn't be here today, and we wouldn't have the commitment we have to Spacejet. In the past year, we've had the opportunity to share with them the forward vision surrounding Spacejet. This is not only a turning point for us, but a turning point for them as well. As we're so excited and proud to share this moment with them, deepening and strengthening the existing relationships, Mitsubishi Spacejet M100 is a new product perfectly matched for the market. Identifying this opportunity gave us the ability for renewed interest in the program and an ability to build some new strategic partnerships. M100 is a new direction a new journey, and like I said at the beginning, the journey has forged our future. And when you've been involved in a unique and historical journey, naturally you have a bond. We've built deep and trusting relationships with some of the best in the business, and you'll see some of those coming soon and some further announcements. It's been part of our history and our journey that we want to share with our partners and cherish as we acknowledge and as we look forward to the future together. Speaking of future, I'm going to hand over to Steve to really look at the product.